In this video we are going to see that how can you underline a text in Microsoft Word. So basically, what is the use of underlining a text? The use is that when you want to highlight some piece of text, then you can simply underline it. Okay, so let's see how do we do this. There are three ways of doing this. First of all is if you want to apply the underline to the whole document, then what you need to do is just press Ctrl A to select all the text that is present in the document, and you can apply the underline. Next is, suppose you do not want to apply it to the whole document, you only want to apply it only to a specific section of the document or specific word. Then how do you do that? So first of all, let's see with the whole document. I selected the whole document. Then I can simply go to this home tab. In the home tab there is this font group which has this underline option with its shortcut Ctrl U, which you can use to underline the text. But there is this drop down available as well with the underline, which would allow you to use the kind of the format of the line that you want to be underlined, right? So if you want to change the formatting of the line with which you want it to be underlined, that also you can choose from here. If you want some more options, you can just go to more underlines, and then you can just actually select it as per your choice. Okay, or you can customize it as you wish, but I'm not going to customize it. I'm just going with these default options. But what I'm going to do is just change the color of this underline. Like, I don't want it in black color, I want it in this shade of green. Okay, and the formatting or the dashed line is what I want. Okay, so this is how it's looking, as you can see, which is looking pretty cool, different from what the traditional ones have been there. Okay, now let's just press Ctrl Z to undo it, and let's see how do we apply an underline to actually a specific section of the document. Okay, so suppose this is the paragraph where you want to underline it. So I'm just going to select it. This kind of a menu would appear from where you can just simply select this option Ctrl U to underline it. Of course, you won't be able to customize the underline in this case. Okay, but in case you want to customize it, this is how you want to customize it, by using this font groups option in the home tab. Second, you can also use the shortcut, but again customization won't be available in the shortcut. Ctrl U is the shortcut which you can use to toggle it like this. Okay, so this is how we underline the text in Microsoft Word. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.